guys, and welcome back to my channel, Let's Read. And today we are back it doesn't show you what it's got. So that feature is only available in okay, I just it's not titanium. Okay. Now that was absolutely bussin' loot. Oh, come on. Now I want to find a Carnotaurus. Like, it might be very nearby. No. I want to see a Rex, but I can't find any in this area. The thing here is just small game. I found 2 Carnos! Well, it's absolute chaos around here. I can see Carnos. I would really want to kill them. I want to tame. Please don't be landing in the... Yes. Yes. I'm just gonna try to tame one. This guy, right there. But first, I'm gonna get trained. Because who said you can knock out a Therizinosaur with a club? With a literal club. No, you cannot. So base is here. And don't worry, that Carno sounded just like Carno. AKA Brock. I just first one to tame try to tame a 30. We got 50 tranks, but we don't need that much. I'll just put this thing back where it belongs. I don't got no other pistol. I got my shotgun. You just need some ammo, and you'll say, where the hell did you get that shotgun from? This guy. I got it from myself. I was just searching for these quests when I reactivated the Ariano quest. There was just a little shortage of metal, so I went there on the mountain where the metal is. I got a ton of metal. I dropped some so that my PT can handle it, and smelted it and turned it into this shotgun right here. Now I just got a little bit of ammo, but that is actually not this guy's ammo. It is the pistol's ammo. So these guys actually need pistol ammo. So, but I don't want to waste my pistol's ammo. So I just gonna. Okay. I thought there was gonna be something dangerous here, but no. No, that's too much metal. But I think my guy can carry it. Can you? Yes, you can. But you're gonna go real slow. And you're gonna take the same amount of stamina, but who forgot he can do barrel rolls? Who forgot, man? Who forgot? Let's do the third last one. What? What is this shadow from? What? It's clouds? Is this just game? Oh, it's a hill. Okay. Oh my god, I completely forgot. I had river rocks near my home. Yeah. I'm so stupid. Now, I actually want something that can fly, plus lets me hold weapons. Like a tappy, but they're so rare. Yep. Just when I was about to home. You need stamina. That's okay, buddy. That's okay. Mister. Light speed guy. Mister moves like not light speed. I just cut trees for no reason. Well, at least now I can smelt some metal. Smelting room, who forgot? Use 60 mil. No, I don't want to use others' fuel, so I'm gonna get fuel manually. And plus, the wood that burns turns into charcoal. Obviously, 100%. Oh, come on. Why are you giving me thatch only? Okay, it's about to break. That's okay. We got more backups. In case this thing breaks. Okay, now let's just put it back in the big locker. I don't know why I call it a locker. Anyways, no, it's gonna be depend on the wood. Now that it's burning, wait, do we got charcoal? We got so much. Oh my! I don't mean charcoal. I mean this gunpowder. I just put the gunpowder in here. I'm gonna make 30. Yeah, now I have 30. Let them all melt. I'm gonna craft my first ever shotgun shells. No, it can only be 2. 10. So 1 gives you 5. Approved. Oh, I just need 2 more smelt. Oh, that's with fire. Just do that. And get a look. And get a ammo. Transfer. Oh, yeah. Let's get my PT. Where you are. We're light plane. I don't see light. Oh, yeah. Now first, let's equip. Drop. I don't need you. Now let's go to that cave. It's there. No, it's there actually. Yeah, we're going the wrong direction. Yeah, now right. But now we're gonna go really, really far into that cave. I'm also gonna try to grab the artifact of that cave. So now that I'm on this island, let's take a little break from flying, land on this rock. We did not land on this rock, but we can still go there. Now I just heard a parasaur die. Well, that is not ideal. Unideal. And ooh, I see a drop. Okay. Now what? Let's just. Yep, that was extremely legit. And this thing will be here. Where? Yep, here. Okay. There has to be a hole here, right? Now, what? It says the cave is here. Literally says the cave is here. Our 2 bullets are loaded. Yep. Just twisted 1 bullet on that. Below. It's okay. It's okay, brother. Just 2 is okay. It says it's there. Okay, let's go. Okay. Where the hell is this thing? I went to this cave before. So it's there. What the hell? Are you kidding me? I just came here for no reason.
Go to क्या time हुआ?
Please, I'm making a video. I did it for very last time. Please let me. Now where is this cave? Is it here? 114 meters. Now I'm going away from it. Is it here? Last time I came here, I remember it being here. Now, where is this cave? It says the cave is here, but there is no cave. That is not the entrance. It looks like one, but it is not. It looks like it should be, but it's not. Just line here, man. I'll try to figure this out. But is it impossible to go in here now? Hey, what the? Okay, I'm going home. I really don't think that and last one. Who came here for an artifact, man? Sad, very sad. Very sad. This guy needs food. Hey, yo, Brock's there. Hey, you. I need a stack. Thank you. There's light tea. There. Yeah, I know. I need to exactly my trike transfer. The sample. Let's see in the description on these guys. The citrus fruit grows naturally along the coast, so probably scurvy. And run. And just why don't you lay eggs? Female can mate. You mate? Yes. You make 98,061,000. This guy needs it. And these guys just need normal poop. Yep. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Let's see what happens. What? Oh, he does get pushed. Her punches give you knockback. Yep. Everybody is happy. 67, 60. That is good. We are producing. That's good. Transfer. $24. Hunter bear needs this. Okay, whatever. Effect of the hunter. Entrance of the cave in south. Coast. today I'm gonna go there. What? It's this far? I am like so far away. Cave in the south. I have 26 ammo. Oh, no. Bad luck for those guys. I'm gonna activate hunt area. It says Arianos are in that area. Let's go, bud. I think I'll need to chop this up. Let's turn this on. Okay. Now what? Nothing. No cave. Why? Why no cave? Walla wall. Walla wall. Okay. Second day of hunting Arianos. None. Can't find any. says we're near.
1 second.
Okay, so now we are back. That was a little call. So now where do we go? It says we're here. No. It's actually that way. No! Oh my god, bro. We have to go down here. Why didn't I go down here? Still there? Oh, it's on that side. It says caves here. I can't see. What? Huh? No cave. Are you kidding me? No. Where's the stupid cave? What? No. So it says we're facing the right way? No. Oh my. I'm just going completely bonkers. Okay. No, it says the cave is on this area.
जाओ ना रिमोट ला दो ना बुजी से ऊपर चले गए बुजी खेलते खेलते जाओ ना रिमोट ले आओ
1 sec. 1 sec. Let me. So guys, I'm back. And where is this cave? Everything.
क्या अब बुजी
Okay. So I'm gonna stay here for stamina. Got some loot. And going back home. I actually wanna start hunting something. I'm getting away from it. Aren't I, huh? Okay, this is just nonsense. Nobody messes with my guy, or else you die. Am I near home? I'm going. Let's just abandon it. No, here's Middle Island. Again. Again. Stop. Stamina. These barrel rolls do take a lot of stamina, ain't they, huh? I heard that from the tutorial. Now we're just some 100 meters away from home, aren't we? I hate going in the water when I'm on my PT, aka light plane. I wanna kill some big game with this. But first, I'm gonna knock out my PT. Okay. Okay. Now I wanna tame my guy. 1540. That is a normal amount of time. Let's just get some 12 loaded into this thing. And a flyer. Right there. Okay. I'm gonna enslave that theory in return of it killing my raptor. It already killed one. If you watched my first or second video ever long video, art video. It did, and we're Art's nemesis. From that day to now, this guy. Exactly this guy. Yeah. You see him? Yeah, this guy. Now we're gonna go here. We're gonna collect some resources to make just one stone foundation. It's gonna attack the foundation. And then we're gonna be good, okay? So now we're gonna harvest a lot of stone. Now I can probably, and now I have probably enough to make a foundation and a wall. Almost. Not for the wall, but enough for the foundation. Okay, let's just make these. Yeah. Don't tell me there's two theories. Come on, man, don't tell me. There's two theories. I don't know, man. Don't tell me I just tweeted a trinker. Okay. Where did that guy go? He's there.
ओए हेलो क्या प्लीज टाइम देखना क्या हो गया
Okay, so these things are okay. Now where is that gray gone? Time to eliminate us. Okay, I'm gonna just try and kill this thing. Whoa. That did triple damage. Maybe even quadruple. But I think we have to go home because it's night. So bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video.